All right, let's talk about the CFM Performance Valve Cover Breather or crankcase breather. This is a really fantastic product. It comes in like 10 different color options in terms of the top. I just got glossy black, but they have carbon fiber, red, matte black, just all kinds of different things, right? So it's kind of like a K&N filter. If you're familiar with the K&N filters, right? That is red oil on there. It does have a nice metal clip here for the pleats, so that's great. The build quality is absolutely phenomenal, and you can see, right, that that's machined kind of billet aluminum. It's got the nice O-ring on it. I've oiled that up, and there is a ball check valve in there, right? So there's a ball check valve. Now, how do these things work? Okay, so this is how it works, right? This is designed to relieve pressure from inside of your crankcase. So it's a one-way airflow. Air goes out of this filter, not in, all right? So it's out only. And it is recommended that you're gonna wanna install an oil catch can. I have links in the description to all of these things, link to the catch can, link to this guy. So you have a catch can on this side. I have a video on that if you're interested. That's American Brother Designs catch can. And this guy is super easy to install. It essentially mounts into the oil fill port, right? So here we have the oil fill port, and you just unscrew this guy, right? So you just unscrew that guy, there it is, right? And set that off to the side. And then we'll come in here and we'll mount this in into here. Let's see. All right, and then we'll turn it in, we'll rotate it in. And you're gonna wanna kind of rotate it in, from the base until it seats properly, and you'll feel it seat properly, right? So now that is seated properly, there it is. The metal pleat pinch clip is kind of on the back side there, so that's good. And it's fully seated, and that's how it looks, right? So let's just kind of take a look at that. You can see how well that is made and how well that fits in there. So that's designed to relieve the pressure. Now, on this side of the vehicle, you also have, your vacuum hose that goes from the driver's side valve cover into this electronically controlled check valve, okay? So it's got the electronically controlled check valve here, and then that runs over here into your air intake. Do you need to replace that? Do you need to do anything with that? Do you need to put a catch can on that side? No, you don't. One catch can on this side is fine, and a pressure relieving valve, a one-way check valve here. This guy, the CFM Performance Valve, is perfect. So that's kind of the ideal setup for your Hellcat engine. I would say, before you do any upgrades to the vehicle, you're gonna wanna do the catch can, and you're gonna wanna do the breather valve. So links in the description to buy, check it out. Okay, so what do you use to clean and re-oil that filter? That filter is washable. Warm, soapy water. You don't really want to use an air compressor on it. You kind of want to let it air dry. If you do use an air compressor, turn the pressure way down, probably to like 40 PSI. You're going to use something like the K&N recharging kit, which has a cleaning solution. It breaks down the oil. It works very well. It actually works better than soap. Not really sure what it is. And it comes with a can of pressurized oil that you can use, which has the red dye in it, to clean the filter. I think that's also the same, type of kit you're going to use for your stock filter on the air intake as well. But again, link to buy this K&N filter in the description as well.